What's up, guys? So today we're gonna have a little bit of a fun project. So my Yamaha, it's a 2003 Yamaha TTR, and I want to make it a little bit louder. So what we're gonna do here, if you see right there, there's a baffle. They call that a baffle, and so I'm gonna get it out of here, and I'm gonna take it off, and we'll do a before and after startup. Well, guys, we just got it out. It's right here. And now we're gonna start it up. So it's been between last night it got pretty cold like this one, and it was higher 30s. So let's see if she starts. There we go. Had the choke on, so it's gonna be hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good, but this is a V4. There we go. There's a little rev. She's a little bit cold still, so we're gonna let her warm up a little bit. But yeah, so if you guys see, I think I gotta take out these bolts right here. See how hard it will be, but I think I just so yeah, nice and loud. Now we need to go find the socket. Well, guys, we just got her off, and right there she is, and I'm gonna try to start it up, and let's hear it. So, she's in neutral. It's kickstart. You see, guys? Hope you guys can see that. Yep, kickstart. Oh yeah, she sounds so good. Dude, listen to that comparison. Sounds so good, so good. I just love it. I made it that sound so much better. Well, see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys have a good day. See you later.